गुटखा पीली काली पत्ती खाने वालों, सिगरेट और शराब का नशा करने वालों, बहुत पछताओगे तुम, कैंसर को बुलाओगे तुम। छोड़ो, इसमें क्या रखा है आज ही, वरना बेमौत मारे जाओगे, बेमौत मारे जाओगे। Hello everyone, just I am going to tell you something about a very dangerous disease. The disease is cancer. It is a disease which is caused due to failure of a mechanism called contact inhibition. Due to this disease, there is uncontrolled cell division, as a result of which mass of cells are produced and form tumors. Tumors are of two types, benign and malignant. Malignant tumor is the very dangerous form of tumor, because in this case cells from the site move and spread to other sites, as a result of which whole of the body get affected by means of this form of cancer, that is called malignant tumor. The process of spreading these cancerous cells is called metastasis. Here the main point that we have to know is about the substances that cause cancer. These substances are physical agents, chemical agents, or biological agents. Such substances are called cancer producing substances or carcinogens. The main carcinogens which come under these categories are X-ray, gamma ray, ultraviolet rays, and specific chemicals. Some of the chemicals which are commonly used by human beings are present in tobacco. Tobacco may cause lung cancer as well as mouth cancer. However, their use in our society is in different forms, whether tobacco is used as chewing, as in bidi, or as in smoking, that is cigarette, or other forms of smoking or snorting. So these are the different ways by which people use carcinogens. We must check it. We must not promote any substances such as use of unauthorized medicines, chemicals which may be cancerous, use of tobacco products, pan masala, gutkha masala, kali patti. So different forms of tobacco are there in the market, and that is the main cause of cancer in our society. One thing you must be familiar, that is, the disease is not curable if it is not detected at very early stage. It can be cured if detected in early stage, but usually it is detected in advanced stage. After that, there is no treatment at all, and fatality is large in the case. So our main theme is to avoid carcinogens, and we have to perform regular practice of exercise, yoga, and we have to manage balanced diet. कैसे बचेंगे आप कैंसर से, समझते हैं? बहुत सारे रास्ते हैं, ध्यान से सुनिए, समझिए और फॉलो कीजिए।